Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change your Dropbox payment method. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Dropbox homepage and log in with your credentials. Once you are on the dashboard, head to the top right corner and click your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Account. Inside the Manage tab, you will be able to see details about your current Dropbox plan and manage your subscription. Within this tab, click the Billing button. This will take you to a page where you can update your payment method. On the Manage Plan page, locate your current payment method. Next to it, you'll see an Update button. Click it to replace or modify your existing payment details. Enter your new card information carefully, making sure all details are accurate. Double-check everything to avoid billing errors or interruptions in your subscription. Once verified, click Save Changes. Dropbox will update your payment method and keep your new details on file for future payments. So that's basically how you can change your Dropbox payment method. That's it for this video. Thanks.